Closing balance for receivables ledger control amount. The following receivables ledger control account prepared by a trainee accountant contains a number of errors. Receivables ledger control account 20x5 1 January balance $153,500 31 December credit sales $75,250 31 January cash from credit customers $77,750 discounts allowed $850 contras against amounts due to suppliers in payables ledger $2,163 irrecoverable debts written off $8,000 interest charged on overdue accounts $400 balance $148,913 total $233,413. What should the closing balance on the control account be after the errors in it have been corrected? Answer: Receivables ledger control account. Opening balance $153,500. Cash from customers $77,750. Credit sales $75,250. Discounts allowed $850. Interest charged on overdue accounts $400. Irrecoverable debts written off $8,000. Contras $2,163. Closing balance $140,387. Total $229,150.